This meditation is brought to you by Fe Pacheco, creator of the ScalarPrana Method. Copyright 2024.
The Gayatri mantra is one of the most revered mantras. It has powerful vibrations that invoke wisdom, purity, and illumination. This mantra aligns the mind with a divine light, dispelling ignorance and enhancing spiritual insight. This meditation will use the Gayatri mantra to deepen our connection to clarity, inner peace, and universal wisdom. So just relax and be still. Sit comfortably in a quiet place. You can sit on the floor or in a chair. Keep your spine straight. Relax your shoulders with your hands resting on your lap. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Feel a sense of calm entering your body. And then exhale slowly. Release any tension or worries away. If you are a ScalarPrana practitioner, do scalar breathing and create your ball of life. If you haven't taken the workshop yet, that's perfectly fine. Do normal breathing. Be receptive. I'm sending you scalar energy. And just relax. Silently invoke for divine blessings. Thank the Supreme Being for the blessings of love, protection, healing, and guidance. So be it. Silently say the mantra, and you may repeat it several times in your mind. Om Bhur-Bhuvah Svaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Vargo Devasya Dimahi Deyo Yona Prachodayat. The translation is, O Divine Source, who permeates the earth, the heavens, and all realms of consciousness, may your divine light and wisdom illuminate our minds and awaken our consciousness. Now be aware of your heart. Silently set your intention for this meditation. It could be a desire for wisdom, for clarity, or healing. And be aware of your breathing. Allow it to flow in and out effortlessly. As you inhale, feel a sense of grounding and calm. As you exhale, let go of any stress. And visualize golden light entering with each breath, filling your body with warmth and peace. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can say the Gayatri mantra aloud or silently in your mind. If not, imagine you are listening to the sound. Feel it is vibrating within you, resonating in every cell of your body. Om Bhur-Bhuvah Svaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Vargo Devasya Dimahi Deyo Yona Prachodayat. Focus on the meaning of the mantra, feeling it as a call to the divine light to illuminate your mind and soul. And notice how the sound and vibration resonate within your body. Feel the energy of the words connecting with your heart, mind, and spirit, bringing clarity and calmness. Now visualize a radiant light. It is divine energy of the universe, full of wisdom, purity, and compassion. And visualize this light slowly descending into your crown and moving down through your entire body. Imagine it illuminating every cell, dissolving darkness and negativity, and bringing a sense of warmth and enlightenment. And see this light radiating from your body in all directions. It is surrounding you. It is bringing peace and healing. And you also visualize that you are merging with this divine light. You are connecting with the wisdom of the universe. As you experience deeply the vibration, feel the qualities the Gayatri invokes. Illumination, feel your mind becoming clear. Wisdom, allow yourself to connect with a sense of inner knowing. And purity, feel a sense of lightness and purity as the Gayatri purifies your heart, mind, and soul. Hold onto these qualities. Allow them to fill your being as you continue to meditate on the Gayatri in silence. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Vargo Devasya Dimahi Deyo Yona Prachodayat. Observe the stillness and the clarity the Gayatri has brought to your mind, and the calm radiance within your heart. Rest in this stillness. Allow yourself to immerse in this space of tranquility. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and gently bring your awareness back to your body and thank the Divine for this connection, for the light and wisdom you have received. The Gayatri is a call to divine wisdom and guidance. It reminds us that we are always connected to the infinite light of the universe. By bringing this light into our consciousness, we illuminate our path, dispel ignorance, and align with our highest purpose. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Be aware that you have the energy and blessings of the Gayatri. And gently open your eyes when you are ready. And give thanks to the Supreme Being for the healing, for His love and mercy. Be aware of your energy field, your ball of life, and silently seal the energy. So be it.